Good morning, students. Today we are taking the maths lecture of CBSE. The lesson is lines and angles. We are taking the problems based on this lesson. Today's first problem is in the figure. You have given the figure. See, this is the figure. Okay. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Point E and point F. Line AB is parallel to EF. EF is parallel to CD. AB parallel to EF, which is parallel to CD. Measure of angle B is equal to 75 degree. Measure of angle this ECD equal to 25 degree, and this angle is Y. This angle is X. We have to find the value of X and Y. Find X and Y. Okay. Now see. AB is parallel to CD. Measure angle ABC is equal to angle BCD because BC is the transversal. Then this angle ABC and angle BCD, they are alternate angles. Therefore 75 equal to Y plus 25. In this way we can find the value of Y. AB parallel to CD, taking segment BC as a transversal. BC as a transversal. Then measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of angle BCD. Measure of angle ABC is 75. Measure of angle BCD is Y plus 25. That is Y is equal to 75 minus 25. Y is equal to 50 degree. We get the value of Y. Now consider segment EF parallel to segment CD, taking EC as a transversal. Segment EF parallel to the segment CD, taking segment EC or CE as a transversal. Then measure of angle CEF plus measure of angle ECD is equal to 180 because they are interior angles. Measure of angle CEF plus measure of angle ECD is equal to 180 degree. Why? They are interior angles. And if two lines are parallel, then and one transversal is there, then interior angles are supplementary, that is their sum is 180 degree. That is CEF means it is X plus 25. X plus 25 is equal to 180 degree. That is X is equal to 180 minus 25. X is equal to 10 minus 5, it is 5. 17 minus 2, it is 15. That is the value of X is equal to 155 degree. Okay. Now see the second question. In the figure, line CD is parallel to AB. This line is transversal. Line EG is a transversal. Then we have to find the value of X and Y. Since CD is parallel to AB, this EG is the transversal, then the angles FED and angle EGB, they are corresponding angles. Therefore it is 55 and hence Y plus 20 is also equal to 55. Okay, then from this we can find the value of y. If we get the value of y, then this angle and this angle, they are interior angles, hence they are supplementary. From this we can find the value of angle GEO, and if we get the value of GEO, then this GEO plus y plus x, their addition is 180 degree. In this way we can find the value of x also. Now see first solution of this. AB is parallel to CD, taking which transversal segment EG as a transversal, then measure of angle FED is equal to measure of angle EGB. Why they are same? Because they are corresponding angles. As they are corresponding angles, they are same. Okay, then measure of angle FED, it is equal to 58. Measure of angle EGB, from figure you see it is y plus 20, that is y is equal to 58 minus 20, y is equal to 8 minus 0, 8, 5 minus 2, it is 3. The value of y is equal to 38 degree. Now see in the figure what we can do. In the figure, y plus 20 and this 22 plus this angle, their sum is 180. We know the value of y. From that we can find the angle GEO. We can find the angle GEO, and then the sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. From that we can get the value of x also. Now see, measure of angle DEG, see the figure, plus measure of angle EGB is equal to 180. Why? Because they are interior angles. Now see from the figure, DEG angle is 22 plus measure of angle GEO plus EGB means y plus 20, it is equal to 180 degree. Now see, we can solve this. 22 plus measure of angle GEO plus the value of y is 38 plus 20 is equal to 180. That is measure of angle GEO plus 2 plus 8, 10, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 is equal to 180. Therefore, measure of angle GEO is equal to 180 minus 80. Measure of angle GEO is equal to 100 degree. We get the value of GEO. Now consider the triangle. See the triangle. Which triangle? In the triangle GEO, measure of angle E plus measure of angle Y plus measure of angle X is equal to 180 degree. Now in triangle GEO, measure of angle X plus measure of angle Y plus measure of angle GEO is equal to 180. Why we can write this? This is the property of a triangle. Hence we can write this. See, measure of angle X we don't know. Angle Y is, we have find 38 degree. GEO is 100 degree equal to 180 degree. that is measure of angle x plus 138 is equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle x is equal to 180 minus 138 degree. Measure of angle x is equal to 10 minus 8 2, 17 minus 13 it is 4. Angle x is equal to 42 degree. Okay, today we will stop. I am giving you homework, solve that examples.